Natural combine for cleaning your eye and improving eye in just 3 months. Probably the most common reasons for cataract are depression, diabetes, smoking, genetics, and eye inflammation. When experiencing eye issues, probably the most important stages to take is helpful tips. Consuming lots of vegetables, fruits, and food wealthy in vitamina is important. For example, you need to increase the consumption of blueberry, cabbage, and cherries. This natural remedy will enhance your eye, hone your eyes, hinder the introduction of cataract and stop your eye from the issues. Preparation. Take cup of rose petals, 4 teaspoons of raspberry leaves and 4 glasses of boiling water. First, boil water and add some rose petals and also the raspberry leaves. Simmer the combine for a few minutes and allow cool. Then, strain the combine and employ it to clean your eye carefully every day. After 3 months, your eyesight is going to be considerably improved.